With two things. One, I am extremely diligent, detail-oriented person, so take this with a grain of salt. I mean, some of these were very subtle, but I just marked them. The other thing I noticing myself saying, is everyone is trying to hurry, and when you're starting to hurry, there's a lot more ums and false starts, so take that with a grain of salt as well. I noted the use of and where it seemed like a filler. I know the use of so. I say so all the time. So I'll just start. Okay, John Paredes, let's see, 13 ums, 4 so's, use of and, 11 false starts. Schwerna, only 1 false start. Nicole, 6 ums. Zeke, 1 1 false start. Linda, 10 ums, 4 so's, 5 false starts or stutters. Don, excellent. You had 5 ums, but 3 of them were really subtle. 3 so's, and they weren't that bad. 4 false starts, but a lot also very subtle. Ponkage, great job. You had 10 ums, 4 so's, 3 where you're using and as a filler, or maybe you don't need to, and 7 false starts or stutters. Vaughn, I split your speech into 2, where before you did the skit, because when you went into the skit, I was like, okay, there are just a lot of ums and false starts.
So there's volume 1 and volume 2?
Like the first maybe 4 minutes of your speech was almost flawless. So for your speech, there were 6 ums, 1 like, 3 so's, 1 use of and as a filler, 6 false starts or stutters. In the skit, the math is getting really high here.
She's exponential 4.
23 ums or something. 3 so's, an and, the false starts again, maybe 10. And some you knows. And the same with John Paredes in the skit. Actually, you did really well, John, but you had a few, 1 1 so, 4 false starts, and a you know. Kim, in your question about Vaughn's skit, you said like. And then you had another like in your evaluation, 4 ums, 1 so, 4 false starts, and 2 I thinks.
One question?
Yeah, and that's why I noted it.
Evaluation.
Oh, no, that was your evaluation. I'm sorry. Only the first one was your question, the rest was your evaluation. It was Lisa that I meant to say that. Lisa, in your question, you had 2 false starts. In your speech, I didn't find a single Excellent. 1 kind of lip smack at the beginning, 2 so's, and 5, subtle false starts. Ken, 3 subtle, 1 so, 1 use of and as a filler, 5 false starts. Bridget, 3 so's. Kate, 5 ums. Heather, 1 3 so's, 4 false starts or stutters, 1 you know. Michael, sorry, I had to go to the restroom. I heard 2 things while I was in the restroom.
Did you pay her?
I don't want you to feel like
I wasn't doing a good job with the 4 ums, 1 so, and 10 subtle false start stutters.